Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Catherine and today I am going to be filming a day in the life. I thought today would be interesting because tomorrow I am leaving for a trip to Rhodes, Greece, and I am so excited. I haven't had holiday since August and I am just so excited to relax, to chill, and to enjoy the summer. And I'm going there with my aunt and uncle and we're gonna be there for a week. So in this video I'm actually going to be packing. I'm gonna be doing plant chores. I need to tidy up my room because it's a little bit gross. I'm probably gonna be studying a little bit. I need to edit my May TBR and also this video because I'll be gone next week and I'm not taking my computer, so I won't be able to edit there, and it's just gonna be a holiday. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be like so amazing. And yeah, right now I need to go make myself breakfast because I actually woke up at 6 and I had coffee with my mom, but when I have coffee on an empty stomach, I start feeling dizzy and it's just like I don't feel really well. And yesterday I had a horrible headache all day long and yesterday was just a horrible day, but today is a new day and it's better. It's a couple hours later. I actually really wanted to edit my May TBR and only then start packing, but then I had some really bad issues with the editor and I don't know, everything is going wrong. I hope it gets better. But anyway, I need to start packing my toiletry bag because my aunt is gonna come and pick it up after 2. And the reason why she's gonna do that is because me and my uncle are flying carry-on only, but then my aunt paid extra for the checked in luggage, and so I talked to her and I asked if I can put my toiletry bag in her luggage because then it's gonna be a lot easier with the security and everything. I'm already gonna have my backpack and my suitcase and everything, and I'm just like dealing with extra stuff at the security. It's just always stressful, and so I'm gonna bring this bag. And I'm usually pretty light on my toiletries, and what I see here, I have things under 100 milliliters and I could easily just fly like carry on only and like have my toiletries on me. But if she has like checked in luggage and I can have a hustle and bustle free journey, then why not? And so yeah, in here I'm just gonna show you what I bring in here, and I'm also gonna put my underwear in here so that when I need to go to the bathroom and like take a shower, I just can bring my bag and my underwear is already in here, so I don't have to carry around 5 bags around the Airbnb that we are staying in. So yeah, let me show you what I am bringing. Right, so my bed is getting chaotic, like really messy, but yeah, don't mind. I'm charging my electronics. I have a few packing cubes. I'm a huge packing cube person. I have a few of these bags. Actually, I'm also gonna use this as a packing cube because my old packing cubes actually broke in Asia. The zippers are horrible and they broke, and I have this packing cube that the zipper is also broken, but I can put my flip-flops in here, so yeah. And as for the toiletries, I am bringing this bag. As I said, I have some nail clippers, some hair ties, and this is my leg bracelet. I love leg bracelets. I got into them in Asia. I absolutely love them. And yeah, for the toiletries, I am bringing some coconut oil, deodorant, razor, obviously. This is my perfume that I bought in Paris 10 years ago. 10 years ago, can you believe this? And then I have some sunscreen. I'm not planning on using a ton of sunscreen because it's not as hot in there yet. And then a conditioner, and then the spritz, and then shampoo, and a menstrual cup. And I also have some propagations. I propagated these 2 marantas, and this one's actually not doing so well, but this one is doing pretty well, and it already has some roots, so I'll be able to pot it to make it fuller. And actually my cacti is blooming. How exciting is that? And then I probably need to water these as well. I'm not sure. I have some more propagations there. Alright, so it is time to pack, and time just flies so fast, and I'm just doing this, this, and this, and it's just like, I don't know, every time before the trip, I'm just so stressed out and so nervous for some reason, and just like I can't do anything, and I am just so stressed out. But yeah, let me show you what I'm bringing for a week in Greece during spring. So let's go. Right, so I had to rethink my packing a few times. So this side will have all of my clothes, and it actually packed up nicely. And then this side, oh, and also this has mask under there. And then this side's gonna have my shoes, and I'm gonna try and put my towel into this bag to kind of like save space. And then my bikini is actually going into my toiletries bag, and then I also need to pack underwear. Right, so it's a bunch of hours later. It's actually 5 p.m. and I took a shower. I had a nice conversation with my classmates. We had to do the group project, and then I also talked to my aunt, and I changed my mind again about what I'm gonna be wearing while we travel. So basically, we travel from Kaunas in Lithuania, and I don't know how warm it is there. Here it's like 10 degrees, which is not warm at all, and I don't want to be traveling with jeans that have holes, and I don't know how warm it's gonna be when we arrive back. We're going for a week, so we are getting back on May 7th, actually around midnight, and it's gonna be cold in the night, and I don't want that. And so I would better like take off my jacket, my warmer jacket, and put it in a suitcase instead of like freezing my butt off, you know? So yeah, I think I'm gonna finish this vlog here. I'm gonna be editing it so that I can pre-upload it. And yeah, comment down below, how did you like the packing video? How do you like these kinds of videos? I actually really want to film a lot more videos on traveling, my plans, how I pack, all of that, because originally I always wanted to film travel vlogs, and I actually had a few travel vlogs back in 2019 into early 2020 on my channel, but then I deleted them all. But now that traveling seems like an option again for me, I think I really want to focus more on that. Obviously, not forgetting about languages, because that's a huge part of my life. So I think I'm actually gonna be like renaming my channel into Lingua Traveler, because those two are like really intertwined. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe and like, and I will see you very soon. Bye!